If you're eating any of these 20 foods, your liver could be under attack right now. And number 18, you probably had it today and thought it was healthy. Stick around, your liver depends on it. Save this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's slowly harming your health. Your liver is quietly working 24/7 to keep you alive, detoxify your blood, process nutrients, and regulate metabolism. But what if I told you you're sabotaging every single day, not with alcohol or drugs, but with common foods in your fridge and pantry right now? We count down 20 everyday foods that are silently destroying your liver. And trust me, you'll want to hear number 18. And if you're serious about your health, again, don't forget to subscribe now. Your liver will thank you. The sneaky offenders. Let's start with the usual suspects and some sneaky ones you didn't see coming. 1. Sugary drinks, soda, energy drinks, even that healthy sweet tea. These are loaded with fructose, which converts to fat and builds up in your liver. 2. White bread and pasta. These refined carbs spike your blood sugar and promote fat storage in the liver. 3. Fried foods. Think fries, fried chicken, and even crispy onion rings. High in trans fats, which inflame and stress your liver. 4. Processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, bacon. Delicious, yes, but full of saturated fat and preservatives that harm liver cells. 5. Alcohol, you knew this one. Even moderate daily drinking can cause fatty liver disease over time. If you've had 3 or more of these this week, you need to hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started. The hidden harms in your pantry. 6. Ice cream, high in sugar and saturated fat. Feels good for a moment, wreaks havoc on your liver long term. 7. French fries, fried in cheap oils soaked in salt. A perfect storm for liver inflammation. 8. Fast food burgers, ultra-processed meats, preservatives, sauces, and a white bun, a liver's worst nightmare. 9. Pastries and cakes, a combo of refined flours, sugar, and industrial oils that fat load your liver. 10. Canned soups, surprised? Many canned soups contain excess sodium, additives, and hidden fats. The healthy fakes. 11. Pizza. Between the processed meats, refined crust, and greasy cheese. It checks all the wrong boxes. 12. Margarine. Full of trans fats that can literally damage liver cells at a cellular level. 13. Diet sodas. No sugar, sure, but artificial sweeteners can mess with your gut-liver connection. 14. Flavored yogurt. Often has more sugar than a candy bar. Your liver still has to deal with that load. 15. Granola bars. They seem healthy, but many are packed with sugar syrups, oils, and preservatives. Still with me? If this surprised you, hit like and subscribe. The worst offenders are up next, the ones you thought were safe. 16. Store-bought smoothies, often loaded with fruit concentrate, added sugar, and zero fiber. 17. Vegetable oils. Overuse of omega-6 heavy oils like corn or soybean oil can trigger inflammation in liver tissue. 18. Fruit juices. Even 100% juices are fructose bomb. The liver converts that sugar straight into fat. 19. Instant noodles. Cheap, tasty, but full of sodium, MSG, and chemicals that slow down liver function. 20. Coffee creamers. Flavored creamers are often a mix of sugar, oils, and emulsifiers. Bad news for your liver. There you have it. 20 foods that may be silently damaging your liver every single day. But here's the good news. Your liver can regenerate and heal if you give it the right fuel. Cut out these culprits. Drink more water. Focus on whole foods, leafy greens, healthy fats, and fiber. What should we cover next? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. Your health starts in your kitchen. Start there.